Here's how to show additional information for your product using Metafields. It could be nutritional information, instructions of use, or for this video's example, ingredients of a beauty product. The first thing is to create a Metafield definition. So let's click on Settings on the bottom left. Then let's scroll down to Custom Data and click on it. Here you can choose which object you want to add a Metafield to. For our example, I'm going to choose products. Then let's click on Add Definition. So let's give our Metafield a name. I can give it any name. For these two fields, namespace and description, we don't need to change them. Then let's select a type. So for our example, we want to add ingredients to our products. So I'm going to use a text metafield. So let's scroll down to text type. So we have three metafields: single line text, multi-line, and rich text. So single line and multi-line are self-explanatory. And rich text is if you want to format your text, for example, with bullet points or make some words bold. So I'm just going to choose multi-line text since I don't need text formatting. And let's scroll down and click on Save. Now let's add a metafield value to our product. So let's close the settings and let's click on the products list. Then select the product you want to edit. For me, it's this facial cream. And scroll down to the bottom to see the metafields. And let's add some ingredients here. So I'm just going to paste them here. Then save my changes. You can repeat this process for all the products that have ingredients. So now the next step is to show this metafield value on our theme. So let's click on Online Store. Then let's click on Customize on our current theme. And let's click at the drop down at the top and select Products. Then Default Product or any page template. You can click on the Change button on the left to change the product that you're previewing. So let's switch to the facial cream. Here we can show the metafield value in a block of the product information section. So let's click Add a new block and select Collapsible row. Then let's click on the block to show its settings. And here's the block on the right. For me, the settings appear on the left just because I'm zoomed in, but you'll find the settings on the right. So first, let's change the heading to ingredients. Then here for row content, next to it, we can find this icon. So let's click on it. And here, let's click on this drop down and select the product template. Here we can search for a metafield or just click on it directly. If you can't see your metafield here, it's because the metafield type and this field settings aren't compatible. So you'll need to change to another text metafield like single line, for example. So let's click on ingredients. And now let's open this collapsible and we can see the ingredients here. So each product can have different ingredients based on the metafield value. If we take a look at another product that has empty ingredient values, the ingredient collapsible row is present, but it's empty. If you want to show this ingredient collapsible only for specific products, you can watch this video where we solve this problem. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.